weekend. You gotta be on your worst behavior when you get your hair done, okay?
I just touched down, quarter after 2. I know it's late.
Hello A-listers, welcome to the fastest and the most seamless wig install you'll ever see in your life. We're kicking it off with the first step that is completely optional. You can totally skip this. There's actually a wig cap that's sewn into the HairVivi wig that Adriana will be installing on me today. The only reason that I have a wig cap on personally is because Adriana applied oil to my natural hair that's braided underneath the wig cap, and we don't want the oil to mix in with this one layer of glue that we're using. I believe the glue is Bold Hold Active, and we decided to go with just one layer of the glue because I didn't want to do this particular wig install using the glueless method because I wanted to wear it just a little bit longer than the glueless method would last. But also, we don't need more than one layer of glue because the lace on this HairVivi wig is so thin. It's so transparent, it is quite literally perfect. We applied a little bit of makeup so that you could hide the front part of that wig cap, and now it's on to the wig application. Hand on my heart, HairVivi deserves every good thing in this world because my hairstylist, Adriana, did not have to bleach my hair. She did not have to pluck my hair, and like I said, the wig cap that we applied in the beginning was completely optional because there's a wig cap sewn into the HairVivi wig itself, so everywhere you part this wig looks like your scalp. You can just have your hair braided down, your natural hair braided down underneath your wig. It comes with combs and it comes with an elastic band inside. You can put this wig on yourself and it will look just like this. So now we're going on to the parting. Like I said, there is a wig cap sewn into the HairVivi wigs, so you can part your hair in the middle and on either side. I personally like side parts along with middle parts, but this wig in particular, I wanted it to be a side part. And I don't know if you can see how the wig cap underneath the wig, not even the one that we installed, but just the wig cap that's sewn into the HairVivi wig, just really gives scalp. I cannot stress enough that this install only took like less than 45 minutes compared to the 2 hours that it takes having to do the ball cap method and get under the dryer and all these other things, bleaching, plucking, all that stuff. So now we're on to cutting the lace. Adriana just uses scissors and cuts the lace right down the middle, and then she uses a razor blade to make that jagged kind of like natural hairline effect down the sides of the wig. She'll use scissors again to cut by the ear tabs, but yes, if this hasn't convinced you up until this point, let my perfect Virgo hairstylist be the poster child for HairVivi wigs. I'm so confident in HairVivi wigs, I might install my next HairVivi wig myself following this tutorial because I feel like they do all the hard work for you. Using HairVivi, gone are the days that you have to drop your wig off 2 days or 24 hours before you go see your stylist. They just need to put your wig cap on if you would even want a wig cap at all. And then they just have to put a layer of glue down if you want it glued down at all. If you don't want a wig cap and you don't want it glued down, they just need to take the wig out of the box, spray some spray on it or put some gel, and then just put the wig on, cut the lace, and style it. That's it. So now we're on to baby hair. Again, a completely optional step. And if you take the wig cap and the baby hair out of this application, I think there are only 5 steps to this. So I personally don't think the HairVivi wig needs baby hair, but we are not adding baby hair out of necessity. We are adding baby hair because baby hair gives me character. I personally just like the look of the swoops. I think it just gives me that I just got my hair done look, and I personally really like it. If you don't like baby hairs, HairVivi is the perfect wig company for you because you absolutely don't need them. And this lace is so perfect. Adriana went to make this baby hair right here, and I told her, like, honestly, I don't think we need that one. So we ended up getting rid of that one, and we only have this sideburn right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Perfect. So now we're on to the styling. This is going to be quick because the hair itself came pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, a wig cap sewn in, pre-parted, and pre-curled. We're just holding down the baby hairs, and then Adriana is going to go in. It looks like it's a 1 1/4 size barrel, 1 1/2 size barrel, and she's just gonna take this curling iron, and she's honestly just using the curling iron to curl the front section. She didn't even curl the back because it came pre-curled. This hair, the HairVivi hair itself, is soft, it's manageable. This is a dream. HairVivi is a dream come true. If you are like, oh my gosh, I'm in a pinch, what am I gonna do about my hair? Honestly, just order a HairVivi wig. And if your stylist is booked, if your stylist is moving, if your stylist is on vacation, if you cannot get to your stylist for whatever reason, I'm confident that you can install this HairVivi wig yourself.
Let's go, bitch! Let's go, let's go! It's the weekend. You gotta be on your worst behavior when you get your hair done, okay?
So now Adriana is cutting the baby hair, and then she's just doing a tiny bit of plucking. When I tell you I did not edit this clip to make it look like something that it's not, she just did the tiniest bit of plucking. Everything else she did not touch. And so now she's going to just curl the baby hair with a mini flat iron. So that is a baby hair secret, okay? If you want your baby hairs to look really, really good, just curl them up with a flat iron, a mini flat iron. And then she's just using an edge brush, and she just used a little bit of Got2b spray to mold the baby hairs. Personally, when I get home, I like to use the Nairobi foam. It creates a little bit of a softer effect, and you can use the foam, tie it down, and then afterwards you can kind of like comb or brush them out so that they are just like really, really, really soft. But now it's time to cut layers, and very, very soft layers were added to just frame my face. So I'm literally going to show you right now, again, no edits, what Adriana did to frame my face. Boom. Boom. That was the layer. She's going to go in and cut just a tiny bit more, just to give the bang a little bit more of a bang effect. And boom. When I tell you, that is it. HairVivi, thank you so much. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for partnering with me. Thank you for this wig. This is a season of gratitude, and when I tell you I'm so happy, I'm so content, I'm so thankful, I'm filled with so much gratitude. This wig looks phenomenal, and it looks so good straight out of the box. It made me feel confident enough that I too could install my hair like this. So if you would like your very own HairVivi wig, visit my description box. Visit my description box. And until next time, stay beautiful. I love you. Goodbye.